woodwork. Enable making. Woodworks. Support local. Ah, okay. So this is a shop. Ah, storage. Chosen fruits and vegetable. Cunaya Lupes, Taipan Lucero. Ay, ang cute. Buy one, take one. Oh, ang comboy. Rice Feeds. Girl. No smoking. Bawal at utang tuy. Bawal umihi. Agisbo. Kat mabaog. Ay, ang ganda ng ano nila. So this is here at Calderon. This is Calderon? Yeah, Calderon Street. There ang magtatahu. Nakadila pa. And this guy is so happy. News, balita, ayan, that is old Baguio yung nagtitinda ng ano, newspaper. Ah, may pa-side view pa. At si Nanang na nagtitinda ng gulay at mga anting-anting. Escanita flavor. Carantes. Micropayum. Carantes since 1932. And that's the Maharlika Livelihood Center. Ayan. Ano bang tawag dyan? At ang kadang-kadang there. Piggy Buck. Mga nagsusulibaw. And the little girl looking at the sky. Oh, magtitinda. Antorium ang kanyang ano. Meron pa pala sa taas, hindi ko nakita. Look, this is a cameraman. May sunflower doon. And this is the Carante Street. Paradahan noon. So ngayon ginawang mini park na daanan.